Here at Malvern, a large amount of students share the same unhealthy habit weekend after weekend. That habit is alcohol consumption. Most Malvern students think this habit is harmless to their young and growing bodies, but they are mistaken. Adolescence is a time when the body is undergoing many significant changes like hormonal alterations and brain development, and alcohol can have an effect on that for the worse. To start off generally, the long-term risks of frequent alcohol consumption include liver damage, pancreatitis, certain cancers, and actual shrinkage of the brain. Alcohol is also one of the leading causes of dementia. Drinking can also lead to a coma, or even worse, death. Alcohol use amongst teens is getting scarier because the starting age is decreasing, with studies showing, and I quote, there is a general rise in the proportion of 11 to 15-year-olds who drink alcohol regularly, but also there is an increase in the amount they are drinking on each occasion. This was quoted by the British Medical Association. Alcohol can also cause something called alcohol cirrhosis. Alcohol cirrhosis is a consequence of chronic liver disease, often caused by alcohol. This can lead to confusion and coma, as well as bleeding of the esophageal varices. Drinking alcohol to excess also tends to constrict the blood vessels, causing poor circulation. Alcohol can also erode your cardiac sphincter, which is the flap of the tissue that keeps the acids in your stomach from refluxing into your esophagus. The acid reflux can then be breathed into your lungs, which is then called aspiration and will give you asthmatic symptoms. All of which I have mentioned are only some of the poor effects alcohol can have on our health. I believe that if teenagers were made more aware of the long-term consequences, they would think twice about their weekend plans. Is a night you can't remember really worth risking a life full of memories made to be remembered?